Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to share like how we can able to add like dynamic meta image in Next.js application. So I'm considering Next.js latest version, and so let's start how we can achieve this. So metadata image is really helpful. Like when you shared and your page URL to any social media platform. If everyone would able to see the preview image, then it will be lucrative to view, right? And also this will help to this will be helpful for the SEO optimization. So how you can able to achieve this? Like you need to define the route, like in which route you would like to add the meta image. So here I show an example. Like this is a page. This is my page.tsx file, and above the page.tsx file, I have defined the generate metadata. So you need to define like this, like generate metadata, and on the promise you need to return the metadata, which should be import from the next, and then you need to define the image URL. So this image URL can be dynamic. You can call any API to get the image data, or you can provide any static image URL. So yeah, so that is possible. So you need to share the image URL here. Then on the return, you need to define the title. I mean, this should be the meta title for that page, and you need to define the description for that page. And now that interesting part is for to add the metadata image. So you need to define open graph, and on the open graph object you need to define the title and need to define the description, and you need to define the site URL. So this should be the site URL for it can be any this should be your site URL, like in which in which domain you hosted this page. So you need to define that URL here, and then you need to define the images attribute, and inside the images attribute, this is an array, and here is the image object. Like you need to define the URL, then you need to define the width of that image, like the standard image width is 1200, and then you need to define the height, and then you need to define the image alter text for greater accessibility, and then you need to define the type website. And then as a fallback, like if this shouldn't works, like this open graph this shouldn't works, then you need to define, and then you need to define the Twitter as a fallback. So here you can just define the card, and then you need to define title, description, and then the images, and images inside the image URL. And you can put it in as a catch, like, so I put it inside try catch, because if I call any API, and if that API is false, then that should be caught under the catch block. So yeah, so if you do this, then definitely your page should be, when you share your page link, you are able to see the preview. So I hope this example should works for you. So yeah, so for this kind of video, you can if you like, then please thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel to get those, like, these development tips that will really helpful for your this will makes your development life easier. So please don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, so that's all for today.